In the vastness of space, countless wonders await our discovery, yet, here on Earth, we found ourselves grappling with a microscopic enemy, COVID-19. It emerged silently, spreading across the globe and changing the course of human history. This tiny virus, invisible to the naked eye, brought our world to a standstill. But what happens when this invisible invader enters our bodies? Let's embark on a journey through the microscopic world to understand COVID-19's impact. Imagine a sphere, covered in spikes. That's SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. These spikes aren't just for show, they're crucial for the virus's survival and its ability to infect us. They act like keys, searching for the right lock to open the door into our cells. Our bodies are like fortresses, with multiple layers of defense against invaders. But COVID-19 is a cunning foe. It enters through our respiratory system, primarily through our nose and mouth. Picture this. You inhale, and unknowingly tiny virus particles hitch a ride on the air you breathe. These viral particles, armed with their spike proteins, travel through your respiratory tract, searching for their target cells with a specific receptor called ACE2. These receptors are like doorways, and the virus's spike protein is the key. Once the virus finds a cell with the ACE2 receptor, it latches on tight. The virus then releases its genetic material, its blueprint for replication, into the unsuspecting cell. The cell, unaware of the danger, follows the instructions encoded in the virus's RNA. It becomes a virus factory, churning out copies of the invader. These new viral particles then burst out of the infected cell, ready to invade others. The cycle repeats, and the virus multiplies rapidly, spreading throughout the body. Section 4. The body under siege. As the virus spreads, it leaves a trail of destruction in its wake. The lungs, the primary battleground, bear the brunt of the attack. The delicate air sacs in our lungs, responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide, become inflamed and filled with fluid. Breathing becomes difficult, and in severe cases, the lungs struggle to provide the body with enough oxygen. The immune system, our body's defense force, springs into action. It dispatches white blood cells to fight the virus and contain the infection. This battle between the virus and the immune system is what causes many of the symptoms of COVID-19, such as fever, cough, and fatigue. Section 5. The long shadow of COVID-19. While most people recover from COVID-19 within a few weeks, others experience lingering effects, a condition known as long COVID. This complex and often debilitating illness can affect various organs and systems, casting a long shadow over the lives of those affected. The symptoms of long COVID are varied and can include chronic fatigue, brain fog, difficulty breathing, and joint pain. The exact causes of long COVID are still being investigated, but it likely involves a combination of factors, including persistent inflammation and damage to multiple organs. Section 6. Our best defense. The COVID-19 pandemic has been a stark reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases, but it has also showcased the ingenuity and resilience of humanity. Scientists around the world work tirelessly to develop vaccines, our most effective weapon against the virus. These vaccines work by training our immune system to recognize and fight the virus without causing illness. Getting vaccinated is like giving our immune system a sneak peek at the enemy, allowing it to develop a plan of attack before the real battle begins. This preparedness reduces the risk of severe illness, hospitalization, and death from COVID-19. COVID-19 has been a formidable opponent, testing our limits and reminding us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. But through scientific understanding, public health measures, and the development of vaccines, we have learned to navigate this new reality. As we continue to explore the universe both within and beyond ourselves, let us remember the importance of knowledge, preparedness, and collective action in facing the challenges that lie ahead.